What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over Bitcoin, and we're going to be going over some of the areas as far as what we've come up with this Neo's idea section here, because we are live. I do this, I'm going to try to start doing this every single day, where I do live technical analysis using my morning routine, as you guys can see here. And then after I'm done coming up with all the levels, I'm just going to go ahead and make a YouTube video going over that. But yeah, we'll go over some of these levels. We're going to be going over the 44K long, the 48K short, and how I possibly think that it's possible that this could be the low right now. I'm not 100% sure, because we could still go lower, obviously, but and also going over these levels and stuff like that. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free, and once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. All right, so with Bitcoin, what ended up happening? Well, on the 12th, if you guys haven't watched us, we actually did a live stream, and we live traded this down here. And the reason why we basically got into that trade is because you had a 3 drives pattern into divergences at these lows. You can see here, even on the 5-minute, you can see all these divergences. You have your double divergences showing up. Then you start to move to the upside. And we were also predicting that this harmonic would end up playing out something along these lines. You could either say something like that, or you could say something along these lines, something like that. But that basically ended up happening. Then we came all the way to the top right here, and we were looking at this. Oh yeah, and also too, down here there was a daily level. So if we show this daily right here exactly to the absolute dollar, and then what ended up happening is we started to move to the upside like we were talking about. Then your boy Max, oh yeah, here is the long position that I took. I ended up taking all of my profits right here. You guys can see this like this, boom, 44K all the way up, took all 4 profits, and now I'm just trailing my stop loss. And you guys can see here 44K right there. So the next thing that we did is Max was basically saying, hey, I want to short this. The reason why that was is because we had a naked point of control on the day there. Let me see if I can bring that up for you guys really quick. Daily, let's bring that bad boy up. And is this going to work? But yeah, as it loads, we are looking for a daily. I'm going to put it on another screen while it loads. We had a daily level there, and then Max was saying that he wanted to look for that. If we can bring up our daily updates here, right here, Max was saying that we had a naked, yes, we did have a naked point of control, the daily naked point of control. We had the 618, we had a swing failure pattern of the highs, like he was saying here, at 48,100, and what do you know, he ended up shorting that. So let's bring this bad boy back over and zoom in so you can see here. This is our daily naked point of control. Look at this. Zoom right in. Bam, hit it to the absolute dollar, and then we started to come back down from there. So Max was shorting that ahead of time, and what else is there? So then that moved us all the way down to here. What ended up happening here? We had a swing failure of these lows, and then we brought back up. And in yesterday's video, I was calling for this level to be shorted right about here. You guys can go back and watch that video. And the reason why we were looking for this level to be shorted, well, that was just because we had our lovely 618. Boom, golden zone into a support and resistance flip of the Bart Simpson pattern. We were calling for that. And then we started to head on down to the downside. And so now that goes over all of the price action that has been going on and how we've been calling it in the group so far. Pretty damn accurately, I must say so myself. So congratulations, and big shout out to everybody who is in the group participating and sharing their ideas and stuff like that. So again, we've got the live chat going on still. What do we have now? Well, I think that it's possible. The signs are there that we are currently at the low point. And why is that? Well, it's like I said, it's possible. Okay, let's just explain why. So if we pull our Fibonacci from swing low to swing high all the way over to here, look at that. You hit the 618 to the absolute dollar. And then using my 1 minute highs and lows strategy, which you guys will find in the course if you guys sign up to Bybit down below, you'll see here we have a low, we have a gap in the lows. The next low that we have is all the way down here. So that is a that is a gap of $250. So we came down, touched the 618, touched the gap, and then we instantaneously got bought back up, right? And then now we're just going sideways with our what is this thing called? Weekly VWAP, okay? And so we also have one of the members posting up some of their ideas, so we'll go over that real quick. So I just want to say, 1 day closer, I see you. We will be going over these wedges in just 1 second. So good spot on that, I should say. So where does that end us? Well, I would say that this idea is possibly the low right here, right? It's possible. We're making like higher lows and higher lows, but we're also making lower lows. So we're trapped and we're sandwiched between the daily and the weekly VWAPs. So what else do we see? Well, for my ideas here, down here we have 4 hour naked point of controls. You guys can see here we have 4 hour naked point of controls. We have naked previous day levels. We have naked session levels down there. And we also have some of these lows that possibly need to be filled in. So I would say that down here, this is more of like I was telling the group here, this is more of a day or swing trade. So here I was telling the group, green is more of a swing or day trade idea. The reds are more of scalp, possibly turning into day or swing trades because we are in an uptrend, right? And also too, this range from basically 49,500 all the way down to 47,500. I've been talking about that for God knows how long, and we're basically hit that to the dollar and then came back down. So yeah, for these levels, basically looking for these levels for possible take profits on longs or short opportunities that could be scalp turn into day trade or swing trade. This is more of a day trade, swing trade idea setup if you did not get into this, okay? But we also have to recognize that we are in bearish market structure on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute chart. We have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high so far. Are we going to print a lower low? That is yet to be determined. But in the overall grand scheme of things, we cannot get too caught up in that, which is why I was saying this is more of a day trade, swing trade long, because of the fact that the overall concept is that we are still making higher highs and higher lows, right? And even though this is starting to get a little bit rainbowy, as in like this, it's starting to kind of lose its momentum a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But we're coming up into the point where we're starting to lose some momentum, as well as coming into the 618, as well as putting in divergences on the RSI on the daily. You know, it's possible that this is a turnaround point, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm saying look out for these possibly turning from scalps day trade into swing trades. But again, it's possible. Definitely possible. So that's why I'm looking for those levels. And yeah, I do this on a daily basis, so I'm not really going to go over any levels down lower than this because I don't think that we'll get there within the next day or so, unless we have some crazy dramatic waterfall effect here, which I doubt that's going to happen in the next day. But we do have some fighting going on right now. You see the price action going a little bit crazy. But other than that, I think that that's really about it for the video. I think we've got, if anybody that's in the chat has any ideas, post them in the Discord and we'll go over them. So now it's time for your boy Closer. Let's see, 1 day closer. So he's got this on the 4-hour chart. He is saying that we had this wedge showing up. We're breaking out of the wedge. We kind of back tested it a little bit and now we're starting to come down possibly, right? But we also have the possibility of this wedge playing out that we just posted up about. So This could go either way, right? These wedges could come down, hit this 45K, then break to the upside, or we could back test this and then just break through the wedge. So the problem with this is that either wedge could end up playing out. We don't necessarily fully know right now. But we are getting a little bit of a pump right now, so I think I might want to go and trade that. We're running into the daily VWAP, and we are ultra high on the RSI, so I'm actually going to place a trade really quickly on my other account. So I'm going to run this outro. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade, we trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on Bybit, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.